Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacino. Let's check in on Monero. Monero coming down, and I'll touch on the 1 hour chart. People have been asking more about the different time frames, show you how to fine tune the levels even further. We also went through that in the Bitcoin Ethereum video, so check that one out if you want to see more examples of using 1 hour. So Monero coming down, pausing right here at the cluster area we talked about yesterday. We then go to the 1 hour chart showing how you can fine tune that. So you got to pause there. Now you can go from these highs up here. By the way, this was a nice double top on a 1 hour that did hit full target. You come down to that pausing cluster area, which gives us essentially the 195 level, next level down, coming back up. No real great bottoming formation here, unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum. There was small little doubles. There was not one here. Coming back up and getting above the rotation zone on the 1 hour, but let's check that 4 hour again. Straight against the rotation zone on the 4 hour, actually returning to the prior Gann level also. So now let's take these off. I'm going to use the 4 hour as our next key levels for this big pause here. So if we head lower, let's see what we're looking at. Oh, wow. So next key area is about 172. Then we have a major cluster. Now, three things all in this area. 149 to 152 is going to be very key. If we do rally, first level resistance right now is 220. The next major area of resistance is around 235, 236 area. So watch for that. Let's also check in on daily. So daily, yeah, here's that 236. It could go slightly higher based off the daily chart. This is why it's important to look at multiple time frames. This 8's going to come down, so I'd say anywhere from 236 to 246. Watch for key resistance. You have this prior support zone that's now resistance, so that is going to be very key to watch for in Monero. But there's no real buying patterns yet. Pretty much bouncing back to the 200, but nothing to do but sit on our hands. Switching over to Ripple. Here we go with some Ripple. Let me get that up. So coming pretty much dead close on our 0.6421 level. Pretty much spiking through just a bit, then dead close on it, rallying back to the 8. Now this is actually forming a potential double bottom here. We just saw the key Gann level. So we're going to move this lower in case it does head back down. What would be nice, we'd want the close above the peak here. Let's make sure with our projections that this does fit into our category, our proper category of doubles. We need at least one target in the zone without the wicks. No, this is iffy because of this flat area. I'll just put these up there. If anybody wants to take advantage of this would be a lower probability because this large flat area, and the first major profit target is beyond that, but the stop target is here. So if you were to get long, 77.24 is first level, 79.64, and then a cluster area right at this 82 area. But again, lower probability. So if you really had to buy some Ripple, that's the only opportunity that's on that chart right now. And that's going clearly against the rotation zone. Even the first target's above the 8, so this is a very low probability one. You're going to have major resistance coming in right around that first target. You can see that was a prior support area, now becoming resistance, and the 8's right below that. So if it does rally, 76 to about 77.24 is key resistance. If it does go through there, then watch for about that 82, 81, 84 to 82. Now we have another major cluster here. We just updated this. And look at this. The prior lows from March or February 6th now is a cluster with the 12.5% Gann level projection down. So that's going to be a very strong target about that 57.29 area. And then if it does get through there, we are down to 51.38. So that's what we have for you on this Monero and Ripple update. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.